Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make easy and delicious whole wheat chapati, and I'm going to share the way I make it at home. It's really soft, and in India we cannot do without roti or chapati. We must have this in our breakfast, lunch, dinner, and there are many variants of chapati, but this is the basic one which we make it daily. And I hope you like the video. So let's start, and I'm going to show what ingredients I'll be using to make whole wheat chapati. Whole wheat atta, some oil, salt and water. So first what I'll do is I'm going to add some salt, just a pinch, and I'll start kneading the flour. So I'm going to add water accordingly. Now I'll knead it with my hands. I'll add more water as much as required. After 2 minutes of kneading the flour, you'll see that it's become nice and soft. So now what you have to do is just remove it out on a clean surface and knead it nicely. So it's ready. Now I'll start making balls out of it. Alright, here you go. To prevent them from sticking to each other, what you have to do is just put them into dry flour and then keep it aside. So this way they're not going to stick, and same way I'm going to make all the dough balls for the chapati. Alright, I've made the dough balls, and now I'm going to start rolling the chapati. I've dusted the flour onto the surface, and now I'm just going to roll it. Just go on rolling and keep enough atta onto the dough ball, so it's going to turn on its own. And when it stops turning, just apply some atta and flip it if you want. You can adjust the size according to your requirement. Make sure that all the edges are nicely flattened because they stay raw. So here you go. Chapati is all ready. Fine. I'm going to make all my chapatis the same way. Now I'll roast this one. Alright, my tawa is nice and hot, and now I'm adding the chapati to it. You'll see that the bubbles will start to appear from the below. Alright, now just flip it once. And roast it from the other side for just a minute. Alright, now just go ahead and flip and press it, and you'll see that your chapatis want to just puff up. So now lower the flame. Here you go. I'm just going to flip it and I'm going to apply some oil. This is totally up to you if you want to apply or not. So just for a second, just let the oil get heated onto the skillet, and here you go. The chapati is all done. So remove it. Alright, all my chapatis are done, and you can see they're so nice and soft. It's said that the best chapati is which breaks with 3 fingers. So I'm going to take this challenge and see. As you can see, it's so soft. So hope you like this tutorial and keep watching my channel, and don't forget to like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel as well, and do take care of yourself. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz, bye.